Welcome to part 2 of our journey across Central Oregon. We had just left a beautiful secluded lakeside campsite, but because of storm chances, we have headed south where we found another beautiful campsite situated by a peaceful meadow. We definitely scored on a beautiful campsite again. We're just up here at this huge meadow. Maybe good for some wildlife viewing, perhaps. We've already seen evidence of bears. Lots of bear droppings around here. That'd be cool to see a bear from a distance. Cool place to hang up my hammock. This is just what we needed. It's a perfect spot to relax. Probably do some exploring tomorrow, but I think for today we're just gonna take in the scenery. We are having breakfast for dinner. Sausage, egg and cheese biscuits in the Dutch oven. Oh my God, perfection. Okay.
Here we go. Gonna trip all over the dogs.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. That one got pretty burnt.
Wow, yours is pretty crispy.
Yeah.
Mine's perfect.
I think I need more foil in the bottom, maybe. Less direct heat.
Yeah. It's delicious, so
Mm-hmm.
good job. Yeah, we were just getting ready to go in for the night, and we were already sitting in bed and looked out the window and saw the sunset. Had to come out and film it and take pictures, but it's not nearly as spectacular on camera as it is. Maybe my regular camera will get a better shot. Good morning. Well, the morning started out beautiful and warm and sunny. We were getting a ton of sun to charge our solar panel because our batteries are running super low in the camper. And when they get too low, the fridge stops working. So now it's looking like it's starting to cloud up. There's clouds behind us that are big and dark and scary looking. And it's getting cold. And so I think we're deciding if we want to travel, keep going southeast and chasing that sunshine, or if we'll just tough it out and stay here. But I know we do have some fishing on our plan, and this time I'm gonna give my hand at it, so let's get this day going. After enjoying our coffee and what seemed like might be our last bit of sunshine, we headed out to find a place to fish. On the way to the river, those storm clouds finally caught up with us. But after looking at our radar, it seemed like it would quickly pass over, leaving us with warm, sunny skies again. Now it's hailing on us. I think we're giving up on chasing the sun and we're just gonna embrace this weather. There's no point in trying to fight it anymore. But as much as we are complaining about it, it's actually a good thing because Oregon has been very thirsty lately, and she could use some rain, and it's gonna really help with wildfires this season. So can't complain too much. So we'll just embrace it. Shortly after, we passed by an area that was badly burned by the devastating wildfires last year. It reminded us once more to appreciate the abundance of rain we've received this year. Well, we're not seeing any fish or flies. I don't know if we're gonna give it a try here or not. But maybe they're just hiding, waiting for the food to come to them. You can try it?
Nah.
No?
Don't see any activity at all.
Yeah. Oh well. If anything, it's just a pretty little spot to hang out at. It's very peaceful here.
I don't see any fish. The water just doesn't look very active.
Yeah.
Like 0 flies in the air. It's still pretty early in the year though.
We could always go crawdadding. Have ourselves a good old-fashioned crawfish boil.
Okay. It's good to be.
We stopped in this little country store here, and the guy in the store told Jason that the Spry River sucks for fishing. So I guess it's a good thing we didn't try it. Are we gonna check out that other river?
I wasn't real sure what he was talking about.
I don't know. He told us to go up by the casino, make a left, and then when you pass the old oak tree with 2 knots on the right side, and then past that you see the rock with the red fleck in it, and then you
Yeah, I lost it.
and then you go around the second bend of the river, head northwest, and then that's the spot.
Well, no, he said you're gonna have to go about another mile, mile and a half, maybe a mile and a quarter. So there's a good fishing spot around here somewhere.
You like chase Jason out of the store, like talking to him, telling him where to go to this special spot. Oh well. Weather's shaping up, so that's good. Maybe. Probably just jinxed it. Once back at camp, we took the rest of the afternoon to explore our beautiful surroundings. We want to hike up to that butte, but this that storm over there is looking pretty crazy, so I think we're gonna skip that for now, just in case. Man, it might be a thing to do tomorrow. The Fremont-Winema National Forest occupies the heart of south central Oregon, from the eastern slope of the Cascade Range to the rugged deserts of Oregon's outback. This 2.3 million acre forest is known for its scenic views and recreational activities such as hiking, camping, boating, horseback riding, mountain biking, skiing, and fishing. And if you're lucky, you may even spot an elk, a pronghorn, mule deer, geese, swan, porcupine, badger, coyote, black bears, or bobcats. We are now hearing some crazy thunder. It still seems like it's just going around us. What is that, Abby? Is that thunder? You've never heard that before, have you? Is it scary? No, you don't care. Good girl. Well, so much for it going around us. At least it's not freezing out, surprisingly. All hail.
Yeah.
Dad jokes for days. I'm using the leftover sausage meat from our dinner last night, mixing it with hamburger meat and seasonings and getting squishy, squishing it together. Got some mayonnaise in your mustache. Gross! It's disgusting. Does it please you?
It's delicious. Well, I haven't had the burger yet.
Oh.
The Trader Joe's coleslaw is really good.
I know. Thanks, I made it myself.
Mm.
That was a messy one. What is that?
That is cinnamon honey biscuits. This is cheese. Sam's love cheese.
Does love cheese. Fancy up in here.
Is that rosé in a can?
Rosé. Bubbles in a can. Cheers.
Wait, put your pinky up.
Pinkies up. Cheers.
Darlings. Wonderful. Oh my god, it's like a beignet.
Whoa, yeah, it is. Good job.
This turned out pretty good. It's like a really dense beignet.
Mm-hmm.
I dig it.
That lightning got a little too close for comfort, at least my comfort. So we are headed inside now, probably for the rest of the evening. Just gonna hang out here, and we'll see you guys in our next episode as this journey continues. Thanks for watching. And thanks for watching, and subscribe, give us a like, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time in the third and final part of our week-long journey across Central Oregon.